How to watch old stream of your favorite streamers on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to know how to watch the old stream of your favorite streamers on Twitch, you have come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, we need to simply open up the browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, you need to type Twitch TV. Once you have done that, you need to click on the first link that appears. Now that you're on the site, you can either browse through your featured streamers or you can use the search bar over here to find your favorite streamer. Let's say you want to check the profile of this streamer right here. Simply click on their profile. Once you have done that, you need to click on their names over here. In their profile, you need to click on the videos tab over here. And you will see all the previous streams that this streamer has done. You can also find some of his highlights over here. Now, if you want to see more, you need to simply click on this arrow over here. And that's it. You now know how to find and watch old stream on Twitch. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon for more mindful guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.